The second use of the EMA is to tell whether the pullback completes or not, because if the pullback completes, we are going to enter the market. That's the best opportunity and timing. And in this case, there's no other setup to help you. The only thing is EMA. And then if that's the case, you can tell whether the pullback is far enough, so you want to prepare for the entry. And then in this case, again, the EMA can serve as the support and resistance. Here's an example. So the market goes up with a strong lag here, so we're waiting for the pullback, and then we enter the market. However, based on the chart here, we can see there's a previous high here. When we draw the support or resistance level here, there's still a gap between the market and this level. So it's hard for us to tell whether the pullback completes, so it's timing for us to enter the market. If that's the case, we can use EMA. So there are three uses of EMA. The first one is to touch. The market just touched the EMA. So in this example, we can see the market pulls back here and then just touch the EMA here. So when it touches the EMA, we know, okay, the pullback has a higher probability to finish, so we can enter the market when we see a good signal bar. So basically, these two bull bars together, we can enter after this bull bar finishes. The second scenario for EMA is the cross. So basically, we see there's a downtrend here and the market pulls back. You can see these two bars here, the bull bar and the bear bar. Basically, they are crossing the EMA here. So this is also a good example that the pullback finishes, so we can enter the market after we see this bear bar here. The third scenario is penetrate. So basically, the market goes up here and then pulls back. When we see this cross, and then you can put your entry at the top of this bull bar. However, the bull bar didn't trigger your entry order, so the market goes down with another bear bar. And then we have another bear bar, another bull bar. These two bars are penetrating these EMAs because they're below the EMA right now. When you see this penetration, so you can put your order when this bull bar comes up. So enter the market to go long. Whether you use EMA for touch, cross, or penetrate really depends on the number of periods you use for EMA, and also depends on your time frame. So you need to calibrate for the historical data to see which EMA and which time frame works the best for you.